Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and enable back orders for out of stock orders on your Odoo website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go there and open up your main website from where we are going to log into our account. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create one. So once you're logged in, we are going to access our website right here. Here we have the home page from where we can go ahead and get started with accessing everything we need regarding our website, the configuration settings and so on, the editor here as well. So this is how to get started with managing it. So here we have a thread on manufacturing back orders right here on the official Odoo documentation page. We have an introduction into how to go ahead and handle back orders for our website and how to create it. So basically guys, you are going to go ahead and navigate to manufacturing and then open up the operations tab from where you're going to go ahead and be able to access your manufacturing orders. So here at the top of the screen, you're going to see the manufacturing tab and your settings if you have a premium plan, so that you can go ahead and get started with editing it. And once you've done so, you're going to go and be able to click the create button next to the back orders to get started. Here is going to open up the new window from where you can validate it, provide all the info and save the back order and all your settings, and just like that, you can go ahead and create it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.